Is this is another problem under fund flow statement. 2 years information given 2008 and 2009. I have written two items here, that is share capital and goodwill, for the 2 years 2008 and 2009. Okay. Now in the problem itself I will explain you as if in which statement this item will come. uh, there are several items given under asset side and several items under liability sides. So as you know, we have done few problems already. We have done few problems under fund flow statement. There are three steps to prepare. That is, first one is statement of changes in working capital. Second one is adjusted profit and loss account. The third one is fund flow statement. Okay. So in the problem itself, I will explain you in which statement this item is to be entered. Okay. So the first one is goodwill. Now goodwill value you have to check in the problem whether the value is increasing or decreasing. See, when the value is decreasing, it means there is a goodwill written off. When you see the amount from 1 lakh to 80,000, there is a decrease. It means there is a return off. When a goodwill is written off, it has to be entered in the adjusted profit and loss account at debit side. Okay, the difference you have to enter, that is 1 lakh minus 80,000, 20,000 to be entered in the adjusted profit and loss account at debit side. Okay, next we will go for the machinery account. Now any assets, so you have to check first in the adjustment whether there is any adjustment. If there is no adjustment, then you have to check whether the value of the machinery is increasing or decreasing. So when the value of the machinery is increasing, see here in this problem 4,10,000 to 5,40,000, there is an increase. If there is an increase, it means there is a purchase. When there is a purchase, it has to be entered in the fund flow statement, that is the inflow, that is the sources side. When there is an increase, it means outflow. Okay, outflow means when you purchase the goods, cash goes out, so it is outflow. Outflow means it is an application, so it will be entered in the application side of the fund flow statement. Next comes investment. Investment also same thing. If there is it is an asset, so assets comes under fund flow statement. You have to check whether there is a purchase or sale. So when there is an increase, it means purchase. Purchase means outflow. Outflow means application. Discount on issue of debentures. This is a preliminary expenses. When there is any discount on shares or any debentures or anything like that, discount is given on the asset side. It means it should be entered in the adjusted profit and loss account. When you check the amount also from 5,000 to dash, it means it has a decreased to 0. When there is a decrease to 0, it means it is a written off. When it is a written off, it has to be entered in the adjusted profit and loss account. Then the next item is cash and bank, sundry, debtors, stock. All these are current assets. When the current assets comes, it has to be entered in the working capital statement. Okay. Next comes to the liability side, share capital. Share capital comes under fund flow statement. If there is an increase, it means it is a issue. Issue means inflow. If there is a decrease, means payment. Payment means outflow. Okay. Here debentures. Debentures also comes under fund flow statement. General reserve. General reserve comes under adjusted profit and loss account, because when there is an increase, it means it is a transfer to general reserve. When it is a transfer to general reserve, it is a non-operating expenses. When it is a non-operating expenses, it has to be entered on the adjusted profit and loss account. And then the profit and loss account comes in the adjusted profit and loss account. Provision for depreciation. See, depreciation you have to check. There is an increase in depreciation. So they have created a provision. So find out the difference. Difference will be in the adjusted profit and loss account. Sundry creditors and bills payable. Both are current liabilities. This current liabilities is to be entered in the working capital statement. Now let us see the adjustment. During the year, investment costing rupees 30,000 was sold for rupees 28,000. A new machinery was purchased for 45,000 and a payment was made in fully paid shares. See, these two adjustments are given. When the adjustment is given in the problem, you have to open an account of that particular assets. Okay, so that comes as a working note. So while explaining the working note, I will explain you as of how to enter this adjustment in the account. Okay. Now let us move to the solution now. Now what is the first step for preparing the fund flow statement? We have to open the statement of changes in working capital. So see the first solution here. Statement of changes in working capital. It's already I have explained many a times for you in the last recorded 5 problems. I have already explained you in that first statement will always be there. There is statement of changes in working capital. See current assets. Now current assets, as I have explained you in the problem itself, all the current assets you have to enter it and write the amount as it is. If there is an increase, write in the increase side the difference. If there is a decrease, write in the decrease side the difference. In all these items there is an increase, so write the difference in the increase side. Now total both the side. Then current liabilities, we have two items here, current liabilities and bills payable. Write the amount. Now in the current liability the rules is just an opposite. Okay, when there is an increase you have to write in the decrease column. The reason is when there is an increase in current liabilities, it means that you have to keep more working capital in an organization. So when you have to keep a more working capital in the organization, you have to change the policy, that is true, they have to decrease their working capital. So that's why it is decreased. So you have to remember as if when there is a current assets, just a straight rule. When there is a increase, write in the increase side. If there is a decrease, write in the decrease side. But when it comes as current liability, when there is a increase, you have to write in the decrease side. When there is a decrease, write in the increase side. Just opposite of current assets. Okay, now as I have written here, see, if you see the amount here from current sundry creditors from 75 to 1,10,000, there is an increase. So increase, but I have written in a decrease column. Okay, like that only. 10,000 to 15,000 there is an increase, but the difference in the decrease column. Now working capital, difference between A and B, A minus B, you will get the answer. Then what you have to do is you have to find which total is more. Now the total of 2008 is 1,55,000. 2009 it is 2,50,000. Now write the highest total to the next line. I mean leave one line and then write the total. Both the side write the same total. Now what is the difference between these two amount, 1,55,000 and 2,50,000? Write that amount in the middle, that is 95,000. Now what sentence you will write here? If there is an increase, you write there a net increase in working capital. If there is a decrease, write the net decrease in working capital. Like that here also, in the increase and decrease column, both the column you have to total and find out which one is highest. That column total you have to write in the both the side, and the difference you have to show in the as a net increase in the working capital, that is 95,000. This difference and this difference will be same. Okay. Okay, so this is a first statement we have to open, that is statement of changes in working capital. Now comes working note, because whenever there is any adjustment we have to open the working note for it. Okay, so we will open the working note. I have opened, see, a machinery account, because there was an adjustment for machinery, so I have opened a machinery account. So here two balance brought down. When it is an asset, it begins with a two balance brought down. Asset 4,10,000. Now there is a adjustment, check in the problem, there is an adjustment. Machinery was purchased for 45,000 and the payment was made in fully by shares. Now go to the adjustment and write here two share capital. They have what they have done is they have purchased the asset, but they have not paid the money, they have not paid cash, they have paid share capital. So that's why the entry comes machinery account debtor to share capital. Otherwise we used to write to 2 cash. When you will write to 2 cash, when it is purchased by cash, but here it is purchased through shares, so the entry will be machinery account debtor to share capital account 45,000. Okay, now what you have to do is now balance carried on. There is no other adjustment, so carried on balance. The difference will be considered as to bank or by bank. Here the difference is balancing figure 85,000, that is 85,000. The total is 5,10,000, 5,40,000. Okay, now depreciation account we will not write here, because we have already a provision created in the liability side of the balance sheet, provision for machinery. So depreciation doesn't comes here. Okay, depreciation goes for the provision account. Next is investment account. Investment, there is a sale of an investment. So see here, this investment costing 30,000 was sold for 28,000. There is a loss also, 2,000. We have to show this in an account. See, two balance brought down, that is opening balance. There is a sale by bank account 28,000. Now what is a profit or loss? 30,000 it is sold for 28,000. There is a loss. So loss will come on the credit side. So by profit and loss account, loss on sale 2,000. Okay. Now the carried on balanced 80,000. Now the difference will be considered as to bank or by bank. Here the difference is to bank, purchase of investment 80,000. Okay. So the entry here, I will repeat once again. See, opening balance you have to write. Then there was a sale. Sale means by bank. When you sell the asset, cash comes in. When cash comes in, bank account is debited. So by bank account 28,000. Then find out the profit or loss. In the problem it is given for 30,000 machinery investment was sold for 28,000. So 30 minus 28,000 you will get to 2,000 loss. When there is a loss, the entry will be profit and loss account entered to investment account 2,000. Okay, so the difference is 80,000. Now comes provision for depreciation. This we need not open it, but as there is a machinery account, we have already opened the machinery account, so that's what one account is opened. If you don't want, you can skip the provision for depreciation account, only the difference you can show. Here nothing is shown, opening balance, closing balance, and the difference is transferred to profit and loss account. Share capital account you have to open because there is an adjustment where investment is sold for share capital. So that's why share capital account is opened here. So see, just there is a simple entry here: opening balance, closing balance. There was a machinery purchased by machinery account 45,000. The difference will be by bank or to bank. It is by bank 5,000. Now comes adjusted profit and loss account. See, adjusted profit and loss account we have to open. First we have to write the opening balance. After that, one by one the adjustment. I have already explained you in the problem itself which are the items will come in which account. So goodwill will come first, return of goodwill. Then you have to see the machinery account. In the machinery account, is there any profit and loss account? No, so it will not come. Investment, yeah, there is a 2,000 profit and loss account. See here, in the adjusted profit, general reserve you have a goodwill, you have a depreciation, that is 40,000, discount on sale of investment, loss. All these I have explained you while doing the problem itself. You have to check and write one by one. What you do is, first you go to the balance sheet and check one by one. See, first one is goodwill, you have to write. Machinery, go and check the machinery account. Investment, go and check the machinery investment account. Discount on sale of it will be entered in the adjusted profit and loss account, that is 5,000 to 0. 5,000 will be the difference, so write that 5,000 in the adjusted profit and loss account. This side you have general reserve. So already all these I have explained. So general reserve will come, depreciation provision 40,000 will come, goodwill will come, investment will come. Now the balance carried down is a closing balance of profit and loss account. See, 70,000. This 70,000 you have to show here by balance carried down 70,000. The difference will be funds from operation 1,27,000. Okay. Now the last statement we have to open is about fund flow statement. Now fund flow statement, you will write all the inflow and outflow of cash. Usually you will have fixed assets. Fixed assets it will be there, and the share capital. Then any dividend paid or tax paid will come here. Okay. So we will check first assets. Machinery account. Machinery account, go and check whether there is to bank or by bank. When it is to bank, it means it is purchased. By bank means it is sold. So when it is to bank, you will write in the application side, it is an outflow. So go to the machinery account. Is there any to bank? Yeah, to bank is there. To bank means purchase. Purchase means application. So come here, application side, purchase of machinery 85,000. See, go to the machinery account. I have written the amount from through working note, that is 85,000. Okay. Now comes next is investment. Go to the investment account and check. There is a purchase of investment, as well as there was a sale. See, by bank and to bank both we have. So it will be entered both application side as well as sources side. See, sale of investment 28,000, purchase of investment 80,000. Then you check in the balance sheet. Yeah, you have share capital. Share capital account, if you check, you have 5,000. Then debentures is raised from 1,50,000 to 2,50,000. It means it is an increased. Increased means inflow. Inflow means sources. So sources side you have to write. See, sources side it is written debentures 1,00,000 1 lakh rupees. Share capital, you see the working note. Fund from operation, that is adjusted profit and loss account. Then increase in working capital. At the end, after entering all the items, you have to enter two items. That is, one is funds from operation amount, the another is increase or decrease in working capital. So in this problem, the funds from operation, as we have already done it, it is 1,27,000. Write that in the sources. Why in the sources? Because it is a profit for the company. Profit means it is an inflow. Inflow means sources side. So 1,27,000. Then increase or decrease in working capital. When there is an increase in working capital, cash goes out. When cash goes out, it has to be entered in the application side. Okay, so application side 95,000. After entering all the items as well as funds from operation or increase and decrease in capital, you have to total both the side. Now if your problem is correct, if you have done it properly, no mistakes at all, your total should be same. Both the side, the total should be same. Okay, so 2,60,000 and 2,60,000. If it comes both the side equal, it means that your problem is correct. If there is a difference, then you have to find out where you have done the mistakes, and then you have to correct there, then only the total will come correct. Okay, so this is how you have to do fund flow statement. Follow the 3 steps, and then in between the working note will be there. It depends upon the problem. Okay, if in the problem, if there is an adjustment, open the working note, otherwise there is no need of working note. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can clarify personally. You can WhatsApp the message me. And this problem comes for 24 marks in the exam. This problem comes for 24 marks in the exam. There will be some changes in the adjustment. I have done few problems. All the problems, if you go through, you will find the adjustment. Each and every adjustment is different. Okay, so go through the adjustment, understand it, and try to solve the problems by your own. And there are other few problems also. You may get it from the Google also. If you find it, you will get the question, you can solve it. Okay, any doubts you can ask. Thank you.